Want to showcase your best work and grab attention to your LinkedIn profile? Then you gotta be using the LinkedIn featured section. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how to add featured on LinkedIn. To add featured on your LinkedIn profile, click on the Me icon, click on the View Profile tab. Now click on the Add Profile section. In the Recommended section, click on Add Featured. Now click on the plus icon to select the type of work sample that you'd like to feature. You can add a post, add an article, or add a link to your videos, articles, and websites. You can also add pictures, presentations, or documents. That's how you add featured on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.